Today, boys and girls, we are going to use base 10 blocks, a number line, or a place value to multiply with multiples of 10. Okay, so first we're going to read the short problem that we have, or actually it's directions one. You can use the model and base value to multiply with multiples of 10. Okay, yesterday we broke apart the tens number into several tens and multiplied the ones number that we had as a factor for tens. Like yesterday when we did, if it was 8 times 40, we'll do 5 times 40. Okay, 5 times 40. Yesterday what we would have done is we would have split 40 into 4 tens, right?
Yes.
And then we would have multiplied 5 times 10 4 times. Right? Okay, today we are not going to do that. Then we would have added all the products, which then that would have been 200, right? Okay, today we are not going to do that. We're going to use different strategies to find out what these big tens numbers, what the answer times a little ones factor with a big tens factor, what answers would be. We're going to make it easier for you, okay? All right. All right. What in this let's look at this problem right here. It says we need base 10 blocks, but we're just going to look at the base 10 blocks that they have up here, okay? Okay, model the first 9 multiples of 10. All the multiples of 10, we have just regular 10, right? 1 times 10 is 10, right? 1 10 is 10, okay? 1 times 10 is 1 times 1. 1 10 is 10. Okay, 2 times 10 is 2 tens, right? And 2 tens equals 20. 3 times 10 is 3 tens, and 3 tens equals 30. Okay, what is a product of 10 and the counting numbers of 1, 2, 3, and so on? So, any multiple, if you multiply anything by 10, you have a multiple of 10, okay? So, if you multiply by 10, the answer is a multiple of 10. Yep, multiple of 10. Any answer that you multiply by 10 is a multiple of 10. Okay, so 1 times 10 equals 10. That 10 is a multiple of 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. 20 is a multiple of 10. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 is a multiple of 10. Okay? 4 times 10 is 40. 40 is a multiple of 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 is a multiple of 10. I would really appreciate it if you would write the answers down instead of saying. Now, let's figure out all the answers for more multiples of 10. So we have 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30. What's 4 times 10?
40.
5 times 10 is
50.
6 times 10 is
60.
7 times 10 is
70.
8 times 10 is
80.
and 9 times 10 is
90.
Okay. Guys, all these numbers are a multiple of 10. Okay? All those answers are called a multiple of 10. Alright? Okay. Now let's figure out let's read the problem. Best Care Veterinarian Clinic offered free pet care classes for 5 days. Aaron attended the pet care class for 30 minutes each day. How many minutes did Aaron attend the class? Okay, so we are doing 5 times 30. Okay? And we are finding 5 times 30 on a number line right now. That's the first way they want to show you how to do it, figure out a big problem with the number line, okay? So, this is step 1. Step 1. Read step 1.
Complete the number line. Write the labels for the multiple.
rows of 10. Okay, so we are going to complete the number line. We start at 0. Okay? What does the 5 mean when I'm doing a number line? It means what? No, it doesn't mean. It means 5 jumps. Doesn't mean you count by 5s, it means 5 jumps. 30 means you are going to jump 30 numbers. Okay? But they're counting by 10s down here, so let's put 10s. Let's write in all the other numbers for this number line. So that's 10, this should be 20, then 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Okay. Okay, now we said the 5 means there will be 5 jumps. And we said the 30 means that there's going to be jumping 30 numbers. Okay, we're counting by 10s here, so they kind of showed us the first jump from 0 to 30. That is the first jump. Okay, from 0 to 30. Now what will our second jump be from?
30 to 60.
30 to 60. What will be our third jump?
60 to 90.
60 to 90. What will be our fourth jump?
90 to 120.
90 to 120. And what will be our fifth jump?
120 to 150.
Okay. So 5 times 30 is how much? 150. So Aaron attended the pet care class for how many minutes?
150
minutes. So you guys could do a number line if that's what you would want to do to skip count by. And you could skip, when you make a number line, I wouldn't start at ones, obviously. If you're going to get big numbers like 150, we're not going to count by ones, we're going to count by tens on the number line, okay? Now let's go to the next page. Another way to multiply by a tens number is by using place value. Okay, remember, if we have a number 517, place value is what each digit in this number, what place is it on? The 7 is the ones place, the 1 is the tens place, and the 5 is the hundreds place. Okay. So, you need to know place value, okay? It's very important to know place value. All right. You can use place value to find the answer. So we're doing 5 times 30 again. Okay. Now, here's the model. You could have 5 tens 3 times. Okay. Okay. So what they want you to think about, though, is 5 times 30 is 5 times how many tens? How many tens is in 30, guys? Everybody?
3.
3. So think of it more like it's 5 times 3 tens. Okay? Now what is 5 times 3? You guys just know 5 times 3, right? 5 times 3 is what?
15.
Okay, so then it's 15 tens. So that's why they're showing this right here, all these. There's 15 tens. Okay? Now, remember how I kind of told you this won't always happen when you get older, but right now, anything times 10 is that number adding a 0, right? So if we did 15 times 10, you would have 15 and then add a 0. Okay, so 15 tens is 150. So 5 times 30 is 150. Now let's try 4 times 50 instead. Okay? 4 times 50 is, we're going to keep the 1 factor, okay? So that's 4. But then we're not going to do 50 again. We're going to do how many tens is in 50? 5. 5 tens. That's why they wrote this number word 10, okay? Now, you can do 4 times 5 very easily. What is 4 times 5, third grade?
20.
20. So that's 20 tens. Oh, 4 times 5 is 20 tens. Now you do 20 times 10, which everybody is
200.
Yes, it's a 20 because 20 times 10, remember we said anything times 10 is that other number, but then you have to
Add a 0.
add the 0. So add the 0 on. Okay? It's pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So on Share and Show, they have number lines for you to do the 2 problems with a number line. And then on 3 and 4, they have it doing with the place value way. Think you can do that?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you're going to do it with a partner.